morning everyone. My name is Kavish. My teacher name is Miss Sabita Miss. I study in KG1B. Happy to be the star of the month. Thank you. My name is Prahalya. I am studying in KG1H. I am very happy to be the star of the month. I thank to my parents, my supervisors and my teachers for their support to excel in my studies. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Kastub Gajat Saudari. I am from KG12. Happy to be the star of the month. I thanks to my teacher and my supervisor. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Madhu Sveta. I am studying in KG2Y. I am happy to be star of the month. Thank teachers and my supervisors. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all. My name is Mohammad Hassan. I am from grade 1J. I am thankful to my teachers and my parents, especially Veena Miss. She helped me for win Star of the Month. Thank you.
My name is Malavika Shivakumar. I am studying in class 2E. Today I am happy and honored to receive the Star of the Month. I would like to thank God for giving me wisdom and blessing me. My parents who stand there with me always. Last but not least, I would like to thank my teachers who are the guiding light for me. And a special thanks to my class teacher, Miss Tassin. I cannot forget my teachers who taught me in previous classes. Today I am happy to receive the Star of the Month second time. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal and all my teachers. It's my pleasure to be honored as the Star of the Month. Thanks to all my teachers who consider me to be suitable for this award. Especially thanks to Meenu Miss. I am grateful to your support and kindness. Thank you.
I'm Ria Mariam Riju from grade 4C. I have been chosen as the Star of the Month. Thank you for choosing me as the Star of the Month. I'm very honored and humbled to achieve it. This is the second time I'm achieving this award. It means a lot to me. I want to show my sincere gratitude for all the tremendous support that my dear teachers, my parents, and especially my class teacher Ms. Hemalata and my friends has provided me throughout. Thank you, IFIA, for creating an environment for learning and encouraging along the way. I thank the school management, the principal ma'am, the supervisors, and the coordinators who have supported me. I encourage my fellow students to also achieve this award. One can achieve it by showing the dedication towards the studies and by taking part in all the extracurricular activities and by being patient, punctual and disciplined. Thank you.
My name is Aldo. I am from class 5D. I am the Star of the Month of 5th standard. I have an opportunity to be a Star of the Month due to the encouragement and support my parents and my teachers have given me. Because of them, I have an opportunity to become the Star of the Month. Thank you.
Good morning. As a part of a positive behavior, the school recognizes and celebrates the students who have worked hard in embracing the school's vision and adopting the school golden rules. At the final assembly of each month, one student from each grade is selected as a Star of the Month and certified and has their photograph displayed publicly on the school foyer. And I'm one of the Star of the Month of October from grade 6. Behind me, one standing here, there were a lot of people who encouraged me all the time, especially my parents and my teachers. So I want to thank all of them. And even I've been selected because I got first prize in Expo IFIA. And in all the 5 criteria, I have excelled. Not only me, everyone can be a star, but if you do hard work. Even there's a proverb that a dream doesn't come true just by magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. Once again, I thank you all for awarding me as a Star of the Month of October 2015-16. Thank you.
I'm Anakha Prakash of class 7E. First of all, I would like to take the opportunity to thank my class teacher Ganga ma'am and all other teachers for having confidence in me and selecting me as the Star of the Month for the month of October 2015. Every month, when I used to see the Star of the Month ceremony, I wished to achieve this through my hard work and dedication. Today, I am very happy and proud of myself for the same. I would like to tell you all that we should always try our best in life, in everything. It may be academics, sports, co-curricular activities, and so on. We can achieve anything through hard work, dedication, and confidence. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sivadarshini of grade 8E and I have been presented as the Star of the Month for October. I'm so happy, and on this occasion, I would like to show my attitude of gratefulness and thank everyone who made me to gain this. Firstly, I would like to thank Almighty God for His blessings. Secondly, I would like to thank my parents who supported me, my teachers who believed in me, especially my class teacher Anu ma'am, and my friends who were with me each and every moment. This scheme encouraged me so well to do in my exams. Once again, I would like to thank everybody who made me to gain this and stand at this position right now. Thank you.
A pleasant welcome to all the viewers. I'm Najia Aliyar of Class 9E, the Star of the Month of October 2015. I have set up goals in my life to be successful. When you all are motivated, you will have a strong desire to achieve your goals and to be well in your life. Also, you must take part in co-curricular activities. You must also respect your parents, your teachers, your friends, and even your school staff. A successful student is the one who prepares for exams well in advance and not at the 11th hour. Also, homeworks helps us reinforce what we have learned. I utilize this opportunity to thank my class teacher Janie ma'am, Principal Vinayaki ma'am, the school staff, and IFIA management for providing such a wonderful experience and for selecting me as the Star of the Month. Thank you.
Greetings. My name is Suha Ambar and I am the Star of the Month for the month of October for grade 10. I am extremely grateful to my class teacher, Miss Isabel, who has been supporting me since the beginning of this year, my parents and my friends, and each and every person who has helped me in achieving this. I have been long anticipating to get this prize, and since I've got it, I'm extremely delighted and honored. It has been a long journey to this destination along with many ups and downs. Though I did not succeed at what I intended to do at first, it has finally turned out to be something good. I would like to encourage every student in pushing their limits and achieving something they've never achieved. In the words of Margot Roth Spiegelman, this is your comfort zone and everything you want is out there.
I'm Tanushri from 11B. I would like to thank all my teachers and especially my class teacher, Miss Winnie, for selecting me as the Star of the Month for October 2015. All this was possible only because of the immense support which I got from my parents, my teachers, and also my friends who have supported me at all times. I actually feel great saying that I got this for the second time and I made my parents proud of me. And being Star of the Month is like every student's dream. So, and what I have learned is that if you work hard with great sincerity and determination, you can actually achieve great success. So what I would like to say is friends, you have to start working hard. Who knows, you may be the next Star of the Month.
Greetings to all the viewers. I am Ayushi Sen of grade 12D, getting Star of the Month for the second time. I was motivated to get this award due to the awesome motivation of our school through their roll-ups, YouTube videos, and all the Facebook posts. And also the great happiness on my parents' face when they were honored on stage. If you want your parents to get happy the same way I was happy to see my parents get happy, you are surely really excited to get this award. I want to thank all my teachers from Dhanya ma'am, Antony sir, Nimi ma'am, Madhavi ma'am, and of course Pradita ma'am for being there throughout this whole journey, not just in school but also at home through phone calls and mails. They were always there for me throughout. I want all of you to feel the great excitement that I felt when my parents came on stage and received the honor on my behalf. You gotta feel it yourself to achieve the great happiness that I feel. Take all the opportunities and avenues that our school offers you, because you have to push yourself, because no one else is going to do it for you. Achieve Star of the Month and find yourself your own happiness in school. Thank you.